If you have a Facebook business page and you're not utilizing an automated response system on Messenger, you're missing out. You see, you can't be there all the time. You have visitors that may come while you're sleeping, or you're at a listing appointment or an open house, and somebody messages you, you want instant response because it's all about speed to lead. So if that's you, stay tuned in this video. I'm going to show how to set up the Facebook automated responses. And also, if you're a chatbotter like myself using ManyChat or Mobile Monkey or any of the chat platforms, you're going to want to turn those auto responses off because Facebook will set them as a default so you don't have them interrupting the real chatbot that's doing the talking. So let's dive into Facebook. I'll show where auto responses are, how to add auto responses, as well as where to go turn them off. Let's dive in. So here on your business page, it's real easy to access automated responses. You're going to come up here under the business suite to your inbox. And this is where the automated response setup is found. So in your inbox, Facebook's done a wonderful job of consolidating all your inboxes into one screen. So from the inbox, I can see all the messages across Messenger, Instagram Direct, Facebook comments, Instagram comments, and a chat plugin. So it's one consolidated inbox. You're going to find the automated responses at the top right. So I click on that and this will open up. So this is where I'm going to configure the different types of responses I want for how people are interacting to my page. So the one I suggest, if you don't already have one, is do an instant reply. So if you're at an open house, a listing appointment, or you're a business and you're taking care of customers, or you're at home sleeping and somebody's on your page and they send you a message through one of those channels, you want the immediate response because they say it's all about speed to lead. So you want to be able to get a response to that person. So the way this works is you hit edit message, and this is where you're going to set up the message. So you could, will be what basically comes up when they first interact. So in this case, thanks for contacting us. And then, we're currently unavailable. We'll get back to you as soon as possible. You can have those type of responses. Another trick I'll show is you could also include in automated responses customer data. So I can click on this add customer name and go ahead and pick their first name. So now I'll say, hi, Sharon. It makes it a much more engaging experience with that automated response because now it's using the person's name. This is going to help you in interacting to your customers in a whole new way. Now on the right or left-hand side, my right and lefts here, there's an away message. So if you have hours of operation set up on your business page, these are messages that will happen when you're not in hours of operation. When you are in the middle of your day, will be the instant reply. So you could have one or the other. Frequently asked questions. You could have questions that you ask. I call these conversation starters. So you could have various questions that you ask somebody when they come to your messenger. Down in here, when they comment on a message, you could have a standard reply, which is very nice. You also see things like contact information, location, and hours. So if people ask you about your hours through Messenger or what's your contact data, you could have a reply for that. And then down below, some other follow-up stuff like appointment reminders. So as you can see, it's a very powerful automated response, but not as powerful as a chatbot. So if you are a chatbotter like myself, I use ManyChat and have the ProEdge chatbot for real estate. I want my chatbot to be the autoresponder and interact with somebody to enrich that conversation. So if you are a chatbotter, you want to make sure that all these are turned off, or else Facebook's Messenger and auto responses will interrupt the chat. So if you are a chatbot, turn them off. If you're not using a chatbot, turn them on and set up your appropriate responses. I hope you liked this video. If you do, consider a thumbs up. That'll help share the love across the YouTube world. And consider subscribing if you haven't already. I'm committed to having a video out each week for you to help make this the best decade ever through using technology and strategies to drive more leads and close more business.